Human resources software has become the backbone of growing organizations. When a company starts scaling fast, it needs more than spreadsheets and manual onboarding. That is where a strong HR information system comes in. Two of the biggest names that help businesses in the United States and Canada manage people and operations are BambooHR and Rippling. Both claim to make HR simple and scalable, but they approach it very differently. Let's look at how they compare and which one might be the better fit for your growing company. BambooHR has built its reputation on simplicity and user experience. It is designed to help small and mid-sized businesses manage everything from hiring to employee data and performance reviews in one clean dashboard. The interface is intuitive, which makes it easy for managers and employees to adopt without heavy training. You can track time off, store documents, and manage onboarding checklists all in one place. The reporting tools are straightforward, giving leaders insight into headcount, turnover, and engagement trends. BambooHR also offers integrated payroll and benefits administration, though those features are still more basic compared to specialized payroll systems. Its real strength is in people management. It feels personal, warm, and very focused on creating a positive employee experience. For companies that want a centralized HR hub without too much complexity, BambooHR is a strong choice. Rippling, on the other hand, takes a more ambitious approach. It is not just an HR platform. It's an entire workforce management system that connects HR, payroll, IT, and finance into one ecosystem. What makes Rippling stand out is automation. When a new employee joins, Rippling can automatically set up their computer access, benefits, and software accounts in minutes. It handles US and Canadian compliance seamlessly, which is great for companies expanding across borders. The platform also supports global payroll, so if your business grows internationally, you can scale without switching systems. Rippling's analytics tools are powerful too. You can generate detailed reports that combine data from HR, finance, and IT to help leaders make smarter decisions. The interface is modern and packed with features, which can feel a bit overwhelming at first, but it becomes incredibly efficient once you get used to it. The truth is, both platforms are excellent choices for modern teams. BambooHR feels like a trusted HR partner for people operations, while Rippling feels like a powerhouse for business automation. For a growing company in the United States or Canada, the right choice depends on your next stage of growth. If you want to keep things simple and people-centered, go with BambooHR. If you are ready to streamline your entire operation and connect HR with every other part of your business, Rippling might just be the smarter long-term move.